Yo, what's up? We got the buds. Got the buds live. Gotta see what's in the box. See what's going on with Samsung this time around with the buds live. Give a quick view on the back cover. Had to get these. I had the Beats Pro, but with the wearing a mask, it's kind of hard to wear the Pro with the mask because it covers the ear. Same spot where the mask straps go. So still trying to be incognito styled. I decided to go with the buds to see how they do while keeping a low profile. Samsung is changing the game out with the style. Changing it up with the style of how they make and develop accessories for their end users, which is a good thing. It's good to be different every once in a while. And these are little tips that goes around the charger. Basic cable. Looks like they're already charged up. The case itself kind of resembles Tic Tac. Maybe floss, maybe just slightly wider, shorter than the floss. But they seem to be already charged up. Nice, small. The length of my, about the length of my finger tip. Not bad. I got the black. Like I was saying, just to keep it. I don't like my earplugs to be noticeable. I like them to blend in as much as possible. The case opens, close. You can pretty much pause at any openness. Well, except for that low. But clean cut. The material pretty solid. It's cool. We have a slight gloss, almost like a dark metallic gray kind of gloss to it. But I give later on, I'll put them in the ear and see how they work and show you how it looks in the ear. But all in all, they look smooth, look nice, clean. Case looks clean, super clean. But that's the Bud Live open boxing on the flow. Everything is on the flow. It's your boy on the flow. One day maybe we'll move up to a table. But that's a quick opening and unboxing just to show you what was inside. Like I say, later on we'll do a see how they look when they in the ear. and how they fit. But very clean, very small. Looks nice. Very small. You can put that in the little micro pocket, the one that's normally on the right side. That'll fit in the above, the little above pocket, whatever you call it. Alright, I'll see y'all next time.